Menu. MT4 Indicators. From all of the available MT4 indicators, the aim is to select the best collection of MT4 indicators. The key here is to attempt to create an ideal combination of MT4 indicators. You will see that the result of blending the most appropriate MT4 indicators will have every single one of them giving you a different view of the market environment and not simply repeating a signal from another MT4 indicator. Your deals won't be any better if you have at least two MT4 indicators giving you the same signals. Rather unhelpfully, this is termed signal confirmation, when in actual fact it would be more appropriate to call it signal duplication. The more money at stake, the greater the seriousness of this situation. Choose your MT4 indicators in a haphazard fashion and you are likely to see almost identical types of study. What action can you take to stop this occurring? It's best for the dealer to first understand the sort of MT4 indicator they are using. Here are the main categories of MT4 indicator. First, MT4 indicator, trend indicators. There are three major movements in price this will show when dealing in Forex. Up, down and sideways. These indicators can aid your search for the major price movement direction as it will smooth out the price info across a particular period of time. Or put another way, these types of indicator will allow traders to get a visual perspective on the trends in the market. Second, MT4 indicator, volume indicators. These will be used to specify the degree of interest the investor has in the market. You can see that a new trend is likely to emerge if there is a high volume near important levels in the market, as opposed to the lesser volumes reporting that traders have doubts and are disinterested in that market. When trading Forex, the volume data means the total quote activity over a particular period in time. Third, MT4 indicator, momentum indicators. When trading Forex, this reports the pace at which prices move throughout a specific time frame. In the same time period, this indicator will also be tracking the strength of a certain trend. Momentum highs take place when a trend starts and ends when it troughs. Fourth, MT4 indicator, volatility indicators. This shows just how big the price oscillations are. Periods of more increased volatility, high intensity, and more decreased volatility, low intensity, will be features of all markets. These instances are wave-like. A period of higher volatility will at some point give way to lower intensity and by the same token, sooner or later, the lower volatility will be taken over by higher intensity. So the intensity of fluctuations in price will give a more detailed look at market activity by these indicators. Fifth, MT4 indicator, cycle indicators. If you have a pattern that continually repeats itself, you will have a market cycle. Events such as day counts, seasons changing and any theories about the inner workings of the market will be what influences these patterns. It is better for traders to hold back from using any MT4 indicators within the same category. You will find that you can easily spot the MT4 indicators from the same category. Putting a selection of indicators in a chart, the similar MT4 indicators will start to demonstrate all the same behaviors. The signals they provide will match the identical increases and decreases. For instance, momentum indicator, ultimate oscillator and RIS are from the same camp, so will produce similar results. So, with this in mind, it's best just to work out which one of these you want and don't use the others. If you follow this fairly straightforward approach for picking your MT4 indicators, your thinking will be up there with the most experienced Forex dealers. Click to find MT4 indicators according your needs. http://itixsoftware.com/MT4-indicators